Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we will explore Tempus AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has identified Tempus AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.53. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 25.23%. This results in an average loss of 2.1% per day since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently situated in the midst of a very broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 5.15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -40.90% and 87.56%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI features the headline, Volatile Ride for Tempus AI Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $36.22 and $45. The stock price of Tempus AI Incorporated gained 17.62% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $37.23 to $43.79. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.24%, with a low of $36.22 and a high of $45. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 17.77% over that period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, as 1 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 17 million shares changed hands for approximately $729.73 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $91.45, while the lowest was $22.89. Currently, the price is 52.12% or $47.66 below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI, trading under the symbol TEM, is currently navigating a challenging market landscape. After reaching a record high of $91.40 in February, TEM stock has seen a dramatic decline of about 60%, recently trading around $37.20. This downturn raises concerns among investors, especially after the initial hype that propelled the stock to its peak seems to be fading. However, amidst this volatility, there are positive developments worth noting. The recent acquisition of Ambry Genetics has expanded Tempus's genomics capabilities, enhancing its inherited risk testing, which positions the company well in a rapidly evolving market. The company also showcased its commitment to innovation by presenting 4 abstracts at the American College of Cardiology annual meeting, emphasizing the application of artificial intelligence in personalized patient care. In the short term, the substantial drop in stock price may attract opportunistic investors looking for bargains, particularly given the overall healthcare sector's resilience during recent market fluctuations. Long-term investors may find potential upside in Tempus's strategic focus on artificial intelligence-driven healthcare solutions, especially as the sector is poised for growth. As the company reports positive cash flow and strong revenue growth projections for the fiscal year 25, it suggests a brighter outlook, which could help stabilize and eventually lift the stock price if performance continues to improve. The ongoing adoption of artificial intelligence in oncology also presents substantial growth opportunities, potentially reinforcing TEM's market position in the long haul. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned TEM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned TEM a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned TEM a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 12th of August, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Tempus AI stock a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, there are some negative signals that could impact the short-term outlook. Tempus AI Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, painting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $44.23 and $51.40. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued following a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 51.04%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal 38 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 105 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal 31 days ago, the relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago, the long-term moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $42.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $8.78 between its high and low, reflecting a 24.24% change. During the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 18.16%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through tough times, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate losses of 270 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $47.64. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a potential point for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI has its first support level at $42.70. If this support level holds steady, it might present a good entry point, as a rebound could be anticipated. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott executed an insider sale of 5,006 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Gottlieb Scott executed another insider sale of 16,273 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on that day, Gottlieb Scott made an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the same date, Gottlieb Scott conducted yet another insider sale, this time of 2,558 shares of Class A common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Doudna Jennifer A. executed an insider sale of 625 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 11 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.795. In summary, insiders purchased no shares and sold 54,538 shares across the last 11 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock and no stop loss has been established. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Inc. holds several negative signals and is within a very wide and declining trend, suggesting it will likely perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Our analysis has been adjusted from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate Tempus AI to open lower by $2.12, starting at $41.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.